A look at the competitive landscape for Lemonway. Lemonway is a leading payment institution, primarily focused on providing regulated payment solutions for marketplaces and crowdfunding platforms across Europe. To understand their rivals, we need to look at companies offering similar payment and financial services, especially those specializing in platform-based business models. The competitive field includes some of the biggest global names in payments. Stripe and Adyen are two of the most significant. Both offer comprehensive platform solutions, like Stripe Connect and Adyen for platforms, which directly compete with Lemonway's offering for marketplaces and digital businesses. Their sheer scale, global reach, and extensive feature sets make them formidable rivals. Another major player is MangoPay. Like Lemonway, MangoPay has a strong focus on marketplaces and crowdfunding, often being cited as a direct, head-to-head competitor, particularly in the European market. They offer similar modular payment and e-wallet solutions, making the choice between them often come down to specific platform needs and regional focus. Beyond these direct marketplace competitors, Lemonway also faces competition from other financial and payment institutions. Companies like PayPal, through their commerce platform, and Checkout.com, which offers highly scalable payment processing, are strong alternatives for platforms seeking robust, flexible payment gateways. For certain services, especially mass payouts and cross-border transactions, European-focused players like Mali and other regional payment service providers also enter the mix. Ultimately, Lemonway's key competitors are Stripe, Adyen, and MangoPay, as they specifically target the same high-growth marketplace sector with comprehensive, regulated platform solutions.